Education MSD2, we are representing our assessment that called Improving Student Engagement Learning by Technology. Hi, my name is Sarah.
Hi, my name is Awal Hanif.
My name is Fazli.
My name is Ahmasari.
My name is Delia Jus.
And my name is Moses.
And this is our presentation.
Okay. Good morning everyone, my name is Delia Jus. Today I will present the introduction of our report, which is about the opportunities and challenges of digital learning in the Malaysian education context. Digital learning has transformed education by changing traditional classroom teaching into technology, enhanced and online learning. It provides easier access to learning resources, supports flexible learning and promotes innovative teaching practice. For this report, we refer to two research articles. The first article is the impact of digital learning on education by Dr. Neeraj Yadav, published in 2024, discuss the benefits, challenges, opportunities, and effectiveness of digital learning. The second article is online distance learning, a new learning approach in the Malaysian gifted education system by Rolinda Yusuf, MD Jais Ismail, and Afifah Muhammad Razi, published in 2022. Where they focus on online distance learning in the Malaysian education system. Now, with the impact of digital learning on teaching and learning. Okay. According to YEDEV 2024, digital learning has changed teaching from teacher-centered to student-centered learning. Students can access learning materials anytime and anywhere through online platform. As shown in this slide, digital learning transforms traditional teaching into interactive learning. So it provides flexible access to learning resources, encourage independent and collaborative learning, and support personalized learning experience. Overall, digital technology does not replace teacher. Instead, it helps teacher to make learning more engaging and effective. This also supports the findings of YEDEV 2024 and Yusuf et al. 2022. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, for this part, I will explain about student engagement during the online or digital learning and how our Canva presentation help to solve this problem. One of the biggest challenges in online learning is that students easily losing focus during the lesson, where online classes can reduce their attention, especially when presentation contains too much text. Another challenge is that scientific concepts are sometimes difficult to understand because a student cannot easily remember or imagine or visualize them. Besides that, every student has a different learning style. Some students learn better with picture while others prefer video or animation. To solve those problems, our guru created an interactive Canva presentation. Instead of using slides with a lot of text, we use colorful visual, simple explanation, organized content, and attractive layouts. These features help students to stay focused and make learning more enjoyable. As a result, students can understand the lesson more easily and stay motivated, remember the information better. We believe that learning should be interactive and student-centered so that students can actively participate in the lesson. Next, I will explain how our Canva presentation demonstrates creativity and practical application. Our goal was to transform the KSSM Science Form 3 textbook into an interactive digital learning resource. We include colorful diagrams, icon, animation, illustration, and simple notes instead of long paragraphs. For example, students can clearly see the breathing process, the difference between inhalation and exhalation, gas exchange in alveoli, and respiratory diseases through attractive visual. We also added YouTube educational video links. Students only need to click the links and watch additional explanation whenever they need them. This means all learning materials, including notes, diagrams, and videos, are available in one presentation. Students do not need to search for extra resources on the internet. Overall, our Canva presentation makes learning easier to understand, more engaging, and helps students remember the lesson better. It also supports independent learning because students can revisit the presentation anytime and anywhere. In conclusion, our interactive Canva presentation addresses the challenges of digital learning by making lessons more visual, engaging, and student-centered. We hope this approach can improve student understanding, motivation, and learning experiences.
Now I would like to explain how technologies has improved student engagement and learning experience. As discussed in our report, one of the biggest challenges in digital learning nowadays is maintaining student attention and motivation during lessons. Traditional teaching actually really heavily depends on the heavy text that can make the lessons not interested and student lost interest. Therefore, technology play an important role in making learning more interactive and meaningful. First, technology allows teachers to include interactive methods such as education video from YouTube, from TikTok or other social media, animation, infographic, and also visual explanations, and clickable learning resource that help students to understand difficult concepts more easily. Instead of only reading on the textbook, students can see and experience the learning content in an engaging way. This is especially useful for our Science Form 3 Respiration topic that we have provide, which we include diagram and animations that help the student visual how the respiratory system work. Besides that, technology also support interactive assessments like quizzes, Kahoot, Google Forms, and Booklet, allow teachers to access student understand immediately after class. This platform provide instant feedback, encourage active participation, increase student motivation, and create fun learning environment instead of only focus on the stressful textbook. As shown on the slide, this technology brings many benefits. One of it is making the participant actively, receive immediate feedback, stay motivated, and enjoy learning through interactive activity. Technology also creates better learning experience. It helps understand the complex concept more easily through visual learning, and encourage collaboration with classmates, promote creativity through digital projects, improve memory using image and animations, and support independent learning because students can revisit learning material whenever they need because it can be retrieved in anywhere, everywhere. Our group applied this idea in our Canva presentation by combining colorful visuals, simply note, YouTube, learning videos, interactive quizzes, and one learning resource. This allows students to study independently and access all the learning material in one place. For us, like in Unitar, everything can be achieved in CN. In conclusion, technology is not just about digital using. When used effectively, it creates a more engaging, student-centered learning that improves understanding, motivation, and overall learning become more interesting, which is supported by the finding from both articles we have discussed. Thank you.
The educational impact when it comes to digital learning is that the research shows it can improve student engagement and their ability in critical thinking. It also deepens their creativity and also their digital literacy. And when it comes to academic performance, they will see a visible increase in performance. But success heavily depends on good teaching strategies and also reliable internet. Digital devices also come into play, and the teacher's readiness is also heavily dependent. And most importantly, the student's motivation to learn is heavily independent as well. And when it comes to the Malaysian context, one of the strengths that are displayed there is where students will adapt well to digital learning. It also makes it likelier that their assignments come into completion. And of course, they will get better with digital skills. But it also comes with a set of challenges, and those challenges are the internet accessibility, and as well as the issue where rural and urban digital divide also included in there. And when it comes to infrastructure, there is an obvious divide between them, and of course, the student motivation. It is recommended that to continue improving the infrastructure and the equal access to technology is just as important.
Hi, I'm Akmasari and I will talk about technology Asian student engagement by 6 point, which is listen interactive. Okay, technology will make the listen more active because of animation, video, and also quizzes. This will help students to pay attention, understand better about the lesson. For example, teacher can using Kahoot to review listen through a fun quiz. Okay. The second one is encouraging participate, which is technology encouraging students to participate, not just listening instead of teacher lah. Student can watch a record, listen again on YouTube. Personalized learning. Okay, technology allows students to learn their own place, which is, as we know, school and their own was so far, which is such as student who staying in hostel. So after that, they will rewatch again the studies from the video they do. Okay. The fourth one, increasing motivation. Okay, technology will make the learning more enjoyable and also motivate students to learning, which is from the one of making a good result, having a good result. I mean, and also making a good attitude. So teacher can give the present to make sure they're more motivated at the subject. At the lesson. The fourth one is creating enjoyable learning experience. Okay. Learning experience from the enjoyable activity, they will having a lot of meaningful listen. For example, they will bring student 21st century digital skill. Okay, technology helps students develop important skill. For example, students will create their own presentation using Canva, PowerPoint to make sure their digital skill more improved from time to time. Okay, just that. Thank you.
So finally, to conclude our presentation, we can say that technology when combined with effective teaching creates a better learning experience for students. However, digital technology alone is not enough. To achieve the best learning outcomes, it should be supported by several important factors. First, teachers should use interactive teaching methods to encourage students to participate actively in the learning process. Second, multimedia resources such as video, animation, and educational apps can make lessons more engaging and easier to understand. Third, online assessment tools help teachers monitor student progress and provide quick feedback to improve learning. Finally, equal access to digital infrastructure is essential so that every student has the same opportunity to benefit from technology, regardless of their background or location. In conclusion, the combination of technology effective learning, effective teaching strategy, and equal access to learning resource will create a more engaging, inclusive, and successful learning environment. So, thank you for your attention. Help teacher monitor.
Thank you for listening. Bye.